Okay students, in the previous class we discussed about electric potential energy for dipole and also the distance of closest approach between an alpha particle and a nucleus or stationary nucleus. Similarly, the distance of closest approach between two protons, one proton is in motion and another one is at rest. Therefore, the distance of closest approach r is equal to e square divided by pi m epsilon naught u square, pi m epsilon naught u square. Okay. In this class, we continue the last session. Okay. If the electric potential is a function of x, y, and z. If electric potential is a function of electric potential is a function of x, y, and z. Electric potential is a function of x, y, z. Find electric field. We know that V is a function of x, y, z. V is a function of x, y, z. Therefore, electric field is equal to minus d by dt, d by dx, dx by z, d by dx by z of v of x, y, z. But electric field on x-axis can be calculated by minus dv of x divided by dx. dv of x divided by dx. Similarly, Ey is equal to minus dvy divided by dy. Divided by dy. Similarly, Ez is equal to minus dvz divided by dvz divided by dz. For example, potential is a function of x, y, and z. X of y square minus 4x square, y square minus 4x square. Find E of x, E of y, and E of z. Here the z term is not given. Therefore, E of z is equal to 0. Only we have to calculate E of x and E of y. Electric field along the x-axis and electric field along y-axis. Therefore, E of x is equal to differentiate this equation partially. X y square minus 4x cube. Multiply this x to this equation, we will get the answer. X, E of x is equal to d by dx of x into y square minus 4 into x cube. Here y square we considered as a constant and 4 is considered as a constant. Therefore, E of x is equal to differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, minus into minus plus 4 into differentiation of x cube is 3x square, 3 into 4 is 12x square, This is the answer for This is the answer for electric field along x-axis. Similarly for y-axis, Ey is equal to minus d by dy of x square xy square minus 4x cube. Xy square minus 4x cube. Therefore, Ey is equal to minus x be considered as a constant and 4x cube is also a constant. Therefore, in second term there is no y term is there. Therefore, this total term becomes differentiation of constant is equal to 0. Therefore, x into differentiation of y square is 2y. Differentiation of y square is 2y. This is Ez is equal to 0. Ex is equal to minus y square plus 12x square. And Ey is equal to minus 2xy. This is about if potential is as a function of x, y, z, we can calculate electric field along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis by using this mathematical methods. Okay. Next is we know that for conducting sphere of radius r, what is the electric field at the center or inside the sphere? What is the electric field outside the sphere? What is the electric field on the surface of the sphere? For example, we know that if I consider a sphere of radius r, electric field inside is equal. Electric field on the surface, electric field on surface is equal to electric field outside is equal to electric field inside the sphere. Electric field inside the sphere is 0. Electric field inside the sphere is 0. Electric field on the surface of the sphere is kq divided by r square. Kq divided by r square. If charge is q, and this r is the capital R. This is the surface. Kq divided by r square. For outside the sphere, kq divided by small r square. Kq divided by small r square. This is a sphere of radius r and the charge is plus q. What is the electric field inside the sphere? Inside the sphere is 0 and on the surface of the sphere is kq divided by r square and outside the sphere is kq divided by r. It means this is x or r, not x r, and this is electric field. This is the origin O. At the center or inside the sphere, the electric field is 0. Up to electric field on the surface. For example, this is the surface. The electric field on the surface of the sphere is kq divided by r square. This value gives kq divided by capital R square. From point O to point A, this is point A. From point O to point A, the electric field is 0. This section indicates the electric field inside the sphere. And this portion indicates the electric field on the surface of the sphere. That is the maximum value kq divided by r square. After that, the electric field outside the sphere can be denoted by like this. This is kq divided by small r square. This is electric. This portion indicates electric field is equal to 0, and this portion electric field on the surface, and this portion, this curve indicates electric field outside the sphere, call it as this is A, OA, B and C. OA curve, OA indicates electric field is equal to 0 at inside and AB curve gives electric field surface, ES, that is surface and BC curve gives electric field outside. This is inside, outside the sphere. Okay, electric field outside the sphere. Similarly for potential, electric field inside and on the surface of the sphere is same. Electric field inside, not electric field, potential, electric potential inside the sphere and on the surface of the sphere is same. Inside the sphere and on the surface of the sphere is same. Therefore, that can be denoted by like this. Potential B, and this indicates R, distance. Inside the sphere, the potential inside and on the surface of the sphere, the potential is same. Inside and on the surface of the sphere, the potential is same. And outside the sphere, it decreases. Outside the sphere, it decreases. Therefore, electric potential E in is equal to ES, that is equal to KQ divided by R. KQ divided by capital R, not small r, capital R. Okay, and electric field outside the sphere, outside is equal to KQ divided by small r. KQ divided by small r. The curve A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Therefore, AB is equal to AB curve indicates electric field not electric field, potential, not electric field, potential B in is equal to Bs and this is B out. Electric potential, not electric field, electric potential. V in, AB indicates V in. Similarly, BC is equal to Bs and BD is equal to B out. BD is equal to B out. Okay, this is about the differences between electric potential and electric field, electric potential and electric field. For example, inside the sphere there is a small variations if the inside the sphere we know that the charges are distributed on the surface of the sphere like a charge distribution. V is the volume of the sphere and rho is the charge density. For charge density, electric potential in terms of electric field and electric potential in terms of charge density. Electric field in terms of charge density can be given by electric field in terms of density. Electric potential in terms of density can be given by, we know that charge density rho is equal to, for inside the sphere, for sphere rho is equal to charge divided by volume. Rho is equal to charge divided by volume. Okay, rho is equal to charge divided by volume. Rho can be written as rho is equal volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. This can be written as rho is equal to 3 by 4 into q divided by pi r cube. This is the value of rho. Okay, this is the value of rho. We know that the electric flux enclosed is equal to E into dA or dV. E into dV. V is the volume. V enclosed. We know that electric flux according to Gauss law, electric flux is equal to Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Okay, Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Then we know that E into these two equations are same. Therefore, E into dV enclosed is equal to Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Q enclosed can be written as Q enclosed E into dV is equal to Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Right? We know that E into dV can be written as dV is nothing but total area of the sphere. E into 4 pi r square. That is equal to here Q can be written as Q is equal to 3 by 4 rho pi r square. 3 by 4 rho pi r square. Can we write 3 by 4 rho pi r square? Okay. For example, Q enclosed can be written as Q enclosed is equal to rho into V enclosed. Therefore, Q enclosed is equal to rho into V enclosed. We already calculated the rho value. Rho value is Q divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Rho is equal to 3Q divided by 4 pi r cube. Therefore, Q enclosed can be calculated by rho value is 3 into Q divided by 4 pi r cube into this V enclosed is nothing but, for example, if I consider a sphere of radius capital R and point P is at a distance small r, therefore this total value gives this total volume gives the V enclosed is equal to 4 by 3 pi small r cube. 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Therefore, 4 by 3 pi small r cube. 4 by 3 cancel. 5 by cancel. Q enclosed becomes Q divided by r cube, capital R cube into small r cube. Therefore, substitute this Q value in this equation. We will get Q into r cube divided by epsilon naught r cube. Here r square and r square cancel. Remaining terms E into 4 pi is equal to Q into r divided by epsilon naught into r cube. Therefore, E can be written as E is equal to Q into Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube into r. This is the electric field for sphere. Okay, electric field in terms of what is that? density, in terms of density, we know that here rho is equal to q divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Q becomes what? Q is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. Substitute that value. E is equal to Q value is rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube into r divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. 4 pi cancel, r cube cancel. E is equal to rho into r divided by epsilon naught. 3 epsilon, rho into r divided by 3 epsilon naught. Rho into r divided by 3 epsilon naught value is the value electric field in terms of density. Okay, once again I repeat this calculations. For example, if I consider a sphere of radius r, and if I consider a point P, it is at a distance r, and it also forms a closed surface. Therefore, we know that the charge density rho is equal to q divided by volume. Therefore, rho is equal to q divided by volume value is 4 by 3 pi r cube for capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. And charge q is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Q is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. For enclosed surface, rho is equal to rho enclosed is equal to q enclosed divided by v enclosed. Q enclosed divided by v enclosed. From this we can calculate. Rho is equal to q enclosed divided by v enclosed. Therefore, q enclosed can be calculated like this: rho into v enclosed. V enclosed is nothing but for this sphere, outer sphere. Q enclosed is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube, small r cube. Here we already calculated the rho value. Q enclosed is equal to q divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi cancel. Q enclosed value is q into r cube divided by small r cube. Q into r cube divided by small r cube is the value of q enclosed. We know that according to Gauss law, E into dA is equal to closed integral of E into dA is equal to q enclosed divided by q enclosed is nothing but total charge. Q enclosed is nothing but total charge divided by epsilon naught. E into area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square is equal to q enclosed value is q into r cube divided by small r, capital R cube into epsilon naught. Here r square cancel. E into 4 pi is equal to q into r divided by epsilon naught r cube. Therefore, E is equal to q r divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube is the value of electric field. The electric field can be calculated in terms of electric field expressed in terms of density. Therefore, E is equal to q value is rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube, rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube into r divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. Here r cube cancel, 4 pi cancel. Remaining terms are E is equal to rho into r divided by 3 epsilon naught is the value of electric field in terms of density. In terms of density. Okay, this is about some concept regarding to the electric field and potential. In the next class we continue this session. Okay, thank you students.